Hi, in this video we're going to see how to change the profile picture in Slack. So you can change the profile icon for the workspace itself, and you can change your own personal profile icon as well. It depends on what you want to do, and it's a very easy process. First we'd see how to change the icon for the whole workspace. Here you just click on the workspace name on the drop down menu, and then you would just click on settings and administration in here. This should here, if you select workspace settings, this should open a new tab altogether, which provide all the settings and the permissions etc of the whole workspace, where you could customize it the way you want to. And once it's loaded, you would just scroll down until you reach this option, workspace icon, and to change it you would just select update workspace icon. Once you've done this, you could remove the existing icon, or you could choose a new file from your PC and upload that. You just select on choose file, and I'm just uploading a very random sort of picture in here, because the purpose is not to exactly select a good picture, it's just to show you how we implement this whole procedure. Once you've selected the file, you'd click on upload icon, and then once the icon is uploaded, everything would be updated. You could of course crop it if you like. If the dimensions are large enough, you crop the dimensions, and there you go, the icon has been updated, as I could see from here. And I could just close these settings, go back to my workspace, and now once I select the drop down, you could see this updated icon. Now to the profile icon for myself, here I would select this picture towards the top right, and then I would select edit profile, and here this is the place where I could upload an image from. I would select this and once again upload any images that I should. Once again, a very random image, just to show you the procedure. So the photo is being uploaded. Usually it doesn't take a lot of time, but depending on the size of your photo, it could take a bit of time. And then you could just select the best cropping area for the photo, and then you would click on save. I'm just selecting some very random pictures on my computer right now. You should take care to select a picture which is very professional, because it emphasizes how dedicated an individual you are, and it of course stresses your professionalism in the organization. Once you're done, you would select save changes, and there you go, your icon is now updated. Here is your new profile picture. So this is how you would change your profile picture on Slack.